Meaning of idleness.
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 Idleness. The term idleness refers to the state of being inactive or not engaged in any productive activity. It often implies a lack of motivation, purpose, or direction. When someone is idle, they may be procrastinating, avoiding responsibilities, or simply wasting time. This can lead to feelings of boredom, frustration, and dissatisfaction. In some cases, idleness can also lead to negative consequences such as decreased productivity, missed opportunities, and increased stress levels. Therefore, it is important to maintain a sense of purpose and stay engaged in meaningful activities to avoid the pitfalls of idleness.